Hi guys, first and foremost, happy Independence Day to all you guys. I know we celebrate freedom like a festival, but today we are not going to play a prank or fool someone. Today we want to know, is the country being fooled? So let's walk around and ask people about some important factors about our country. We are celebrating our 69th Independence Day, you know, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we celebrate freedom, but are we really free? Because these god men, we are talking about like this Radhe Ma, the whole issue, you know, people, yeah, the great. So people following them blindly. What do you think about all this? Is it really freedom?
If somebody really follows Radhima because of their experience, I think fair enough. But if you go on somebody else saying that go ahead and follow Radhima, it's of no use.
फ्री तो इंडिया कभी नहीं होगा जब तक लोगों की प्रॉब्लम्स रहेगी. लोग हमेशा अंधविश्वास में विश्वास करेंगे.
It's really sad that it's still happening on the 21st century.
It's totally their belief. I believe everyone has a freedom to express. So if someone is believing, they are believing. Someone is not believing, it's bullshit.
I don't know. I think everyone is sensible enough to decide what is good for them and what is not good for them.
If we are celebrating freedom, what about police now getting really stern and monitoring the internet?
Yes, true. I think people need, even police need some privacy, and they are not getting that much time. So the reason why they are putting all the frustration to us.
That's just very stupid and crazy because, first of all, what gives them the right to really interfere or mingle into all these private matters? Like internet is somebody that somebody uses at their leisure.
Yeah, if they have done it, maybe could be a reason behind it. But yes, there is a better way of doing things. So probably their ways was not right.
So the case that happened in the hotel when they raided, so many couples were there. They were not doing anything wrong, but they were sent to the police station.
I feel sad for the couples who were caught, but it's just hilarious that क्या extent तक ये controlling and restrictions can go to.
So now it's been too much of serious stuff. Let's do something fun. I'm going to say a word, and whatever is the first thing that comes to your head, it might be a word or a sentence, you have to say it.
Okay.
So the first word is army.
Proud of it.
Backbone.
Since we are from the army background, so I think there's no comparison to the Indian army.
Army is the people. There's a reason we are alive and we are safe.
Army.
Freedom. No commitment to the country.
भारत के फौजी.
Fighter. Strong.
Reliable.
सबसे बेस्ट है.
Police.
They are trying their very best.
तभी आते जब सारे काम हो जाते हैं.
रिश्वत.
Police, I think we should give them their dues. So they're doing a good job also. So I think they're equally.
पुलिस
Sadly, not taken as seriously as it should be.
जो चोर को पकड़ता है.
Police.
Fake.
Not trustworthy.
पुलिस राकेश मारिया.
Politicians.
वेस्ट.
Ashamed of them.
I don't know, nasty, I think.
Politicians are overrated. I think they should learn how to do their jobs better.
वो भी अभी मोदी अच्छा है.
Nothing. It's just blank.
उनको डंडे दे के मार के भगाना.
Should be educated and more responsible.
Freedom.
Freedom? I don't think so. We are free yet.
Love it.
And freedom.
Everybody wants.
I think everyone wants freedom.
That's my belief.
Freedom to do the right and only right.
Enjoying the freedom actually. That's the reason we are here.
मैं घर पे अकेले मस्ती करता हूँ.
Freedom, enjoyment.
Azadi. Freedom.
आज़ादी तो अपना देश है तो आज़ादी तो बढ़िया से मनाता हूँ लोग.
आज़ादी और आज़ादी सिर्फ प्यार करने की. अगर हम एक दूसरे से प्यार करेंगे और हमें उस चीज़ की आज़ादी होगी तो हमारे देश में जितना भी जो भी कुछ हो रहा है वो सब नहीं होगा.
हम लोग आज़ाद है, हिंदुस्तान आज़ाद है.
प्लीज़ सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, सबके मम्मी पापा से, सबके भाई बहनों से कि सब प्यार से रहें और प्यार करने की आज़ादी हमको दें और दूसरों को भी दें.
Happy Independence Day to you.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day.
This was a fun day and also very interesting. I wish someone had asked me these questions about our nation. There's so much I want to say, but the nation has already spoken. Authorities, if you all are watching this video, then you know which aspects of our country need to improve. So please do the needful because we love our country. Happy Independence Day once again and Jai Hind.